save our planet, melting permafrost to release billions of tons of CO2. A study conducted by Dr. Charles Coven of the University of California, Berkeley in the USA, and an international team of researchers has concluded that as climate change causes tundra in the Arctic North to continue to melt, the vast stores of carbon being released from beneath the ground will not be contained by new vegetation that might emerge.
Using a supercomputer in France to calculate soil warming and climate change data, the scientists estimated that the thawing Arctic will instead release around 68 billion additional tonnes of carbon dioxide, or CO2, into the atmosphere. Such a massive amount of greenhouse gases would not only increase planetary warming, it would also accelerate the rate of further climate change.
Dr. Coven and colleagues are thanks for this study that informs of the ever more urgent condition of our planet. May we all be motivated toward carrying efforts that stabilize the ecosphere for ourselves and future generations.
During an interview by El Quintana Roense in Mexico in December 2010, Supreme Master Ching Hai addressed such dangerous tolls of climate change as permafrost melt and the quickest way to halt these harmful effects.
We have to reverse our action. We warm up the planet because many reasons. Fossil fuel and animals industry. But you see, when we burn fossil fuel, it emits two types of gas: carbon dioxide, CO2, and aerosol. Aerosol is not too good for our health, but at least it cancels CO2. So the warming effect came from the methane gas, nitrous oxide. It warm up the planet, and it warm also the permafrost, which is a frozen earth, which store a lot of carbon in there. So if it warm up, the methane, carbon, anything also come up together. Because of animals, agriculture are number one producer of these gases that I just mentioned that warm up our planet. But the thing is, methane is short. It can dissipate within 10 years, more or less. So if we cut all this methane dioxide from the animals, we cut all that, then we cool the planet within a decade, within a few years. So if we eliminate the most heated gas and the most quickly dissipate, then we cool it in a few years.